Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by putting the iPhone into recovery mode so you can erase the device and reinstall iOS. First, power it off. This prevents failed handshakes. Connect the iPhone to your computer with a reliable cable and open Finder on Mac OS or iTunes on Windows. Once done, follow the button sequence for your model, volume up then down then hold side, or hold side and volume depending on model, until the recovery screen appears. This step forces the phone to accept a restore command from the computer. Now you will tell the computer to reinstall iOS. This removes the unavailable lock screen by erasing and restoring the system. In Finder or iTunes, when prompted, pick Update to preserve data if possible. If Update cannot complete, select Restore to fully erase and reinstall. The tool downloads the firmware and flashes the phone. This can take 20-60 minutes depending on connection. Make sure the cable stays connected and the computer sleeps disabled. Once the process finishes, the iPhone will reboot to the Setup Assistant. Finish by walking through the Setup Assistant on the iPhone. Sign into your Apple ID to restore backup or choose Setup as new. If you encounter activation lock, you must remove it with the original Apple ID or contact Apple with proof of purchase, because the restore will not bypass activation lock. If the restore fails or the computer errors out, try the process on a different machine or reach out to Apple support or an authorized service provider. This fixes most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.